I'm Susan Moore, Norwex Independent Sales Consultant, and I'm going to show you our other Norwex toilet bowl cleaner. This system happens to be my all-time favorite. So it comes in 4 parts. It comes with a bag of solution, a holder, the cup holder, and then the brush holder. So you put it in here like so. We're going to just take a pair of scissors, and when it arrives, you're going to clip off the very top of it there, and then you just put everything in together. Okay, this is the Scenaria system that is produced from environmentally friendly raw materials. Again, it combines the toilet brush, the caddy, and the self-dispensing solution all in one. This is a non-poisonous, non-corrosive, vegetable-based cleaning solution that's safe for all septic systems and biodegrades within 48 hours. The brush is made without cavities, reducing the chance of bacteria remaining in the crevices. The solution will last approximately 1 year when used once a week. So what you want to do is you take about 2 liters of water and you just pour it into the toilet very quickly, and that helps get rid of all of your water in your toilet bowl. Just press down and you'll see that your solution just releases out from the top. And you take it out, and then you are just able to just vigorously wash your toilet bowl all around. It has a really, really light, very light, clean smell, and you can go all the way around your toilet bowl, up around here if you'd like. I like to color code, so pink was always for my bathroom, so I'm just able to now just wipe up everywhere around my toilet bowl. And you'll notice I'm not wearing gloves, and I'm washing pretty much everything nice and clean and shiny. And you can feel very secure with these products. You get your 2-year warranty. You are good to go. You already have a Norwex consultant. I know they're taking good care of you. If you would like to contact me, you can go to my website at www.susanmoore.norwex.biz. Thank you for joining me.